guest on your video. We are going to start with it. Good evening to all. A very warm welcome and greetings of the Abad to all our revered members of Charles Walter Society for Innovation and Research. Welcome back to yet another virtual Grand Summit on Education. I, Dr. S. Nagarajan, Principal of Surendra Institute of Engineering Management, Siliguri, and Deputy Director of CWSIR, invite you all to join for the prayer come virtual lighting of lamp to formally inaugurate the world's greatest virtual summit on education.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you so much for joining the today's event. I would like to say a few words about our organization, CWSIR, Charles Walter Society for Innovation and Research, founded by Dr. Smita Tiwari in 2019, and under the able presidency of Dr. Abhishek Pandey, vision for promoting research and innovation, and targets the mission to strengthen the society with enlightened intellect and wisdom through the specific ideology from the specialized field. CWSIR is a staunch believer that research, creativity, and innovation can only guide the entire fraternity of education to a destiny that can produce good literature, research scholars, national and international patents, the wider perspective to develop and implement feasible definition of education. Believing in team and collaborative work, Charles Walter Society for Innovation and Research pays heartfelt gratitude to its executive members, state and country coordinators, country ambassadors, board of directors, and secretariat, and all our governing bodies. Before moving on to the today's agenda, I would like to say a few words about today's Summit on Education. The World Education Summit is the premier international platform dedicated to innovation and creative action in the education sector. Here, top decision makers share insights with on-the-ground practitioners and collaborative to rethink and find out various emerging opportunities in the education landscape at present and in future. The summit aims to explore the groundbreaking innovations and encourage steps to ensure significant improvements in the global education sector. No doubt, education has been one of the most impactful sectors worldwide. World Education Summit would provide everyone with the opportunities to network, share your experiences, and expand knowledge in the fast developing academic sphere. So we are going to have today's session. In day one, that is today, we are going to discuss about a grassroots approach which deals with the new educational system from infrastructure to building a strong foundation. And tomorrow we will be discussing about a journey towards a new world which deals with new way of learning with offline, online education, and the blended learning. The concluding day of the event, especially tomorrow, the event would feature about the future of education in India and the role of digital system. With this preamble, I invite Dr. Kushum Kanwar, Executive Director, MeetX CWSIR to start the session with her intro speech. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nagarajan, for your introduction. And greetings and namaste to all luminaries and participants. Thank you, CWSIR, Charles Waddell Society for Innovation and Research, Dr. Abhishek Pandey, sir, for the honor. The vision of CWSIR is to empower, enable, and inspire the trend of research and innovation to learners with the right foundation of values and culture through academic excellence. For global perspective and to create an ecosystem for the holistic development of all stakeholders. Our mission is to provide an environment for research and innovation, encourage the research bent of learning that creates multivalent competencies in growing learners to enable them to becoming analytical leaders. Our commitments: CWSIR is committed to uplift the society by providing voice and platform to women who are in the field of research and social work, thus strengthening them nationally and globally. Empowering schools to eliminate the rural and the urban divide. Enhancing quality learning through sessions, igniting the spirit of innovation and research. To work towards achieving the United Nations SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, to create a harmonious society. International collaboration to work on common projects to give maximum learning exposure to the budding innovators. Our services: the society strives to empower and support every learner in the domain of innovation and research by providing a platform for the following: guidance to write theses and research proposal writing, guidance by experts to get original research papers published, assistance to get international patents, placements for researchers and for those who are involved in research, innovation, and academia. Provision of platform to demonstrate innovative practices in education, commerce, arts, science, and technology, and others as well. Recommending the eligible members for the UN talks and for conducting master training in schools, colleges, and universities around the globe. Curating international conferences, summits, quality sessions under our initiative. So our initiative, MeetX, organizes national and international conferences, seminars, symposiums, and quality workshops, academic curriculum assistance, and content writing. MeetX is recognizing and honoring the genuine contribution of individuals in diverse streams and disciplines with certified and authorized awards and honoris causa doctorate on the basis of the exceptional work. It proposes to introduce the International Journal of CWSIR in the near future. Innumerable strategies and projects to empower women are in the offing, developing numerous workshops and training sessions for girls in schools and colleges. So to wrap up, and last but not the least, personality grooming sessions, mentoring and coaching. Thank you. Namaste. Over to you, Mr. Nagarajan.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As a moderator, it is my duty to formally welcome and give my gratitude for accepting our invitation. And with that note, this is my immense pleasure to announce the world's best brains as the chief guest of honor and keynote speakers in World Education Summit, organized by Charles Waddell Society for Innovation and Research. We feel so blessed to listen to the talk of history creators in the context of education in this grand global summit. It is really great to be witnessing the enlightenment, bringing wisdom and an iconic talent together. I would like to thank Honorable Education Minister, Dr. Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of these 2 days World Education Summit. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. I also thank Shri Anurag Thakur, Ministry of State, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India, and Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Ministry of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India, for accepting our invitation and deliver inaugural speech today and tomorrow. And I also would like to mention the Government of India supporting these 2 days mega event, the MSME, Government of India, and Ministry of Education, Government of India, and Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, and Department of Science and Technology. On behalf of CWSIR and my own behalf, I convey my sincere gratitude to all the government organizations for constantly supporting us to organize such a wonderful event for the benefit of faculty members as well as for the young research scholars to pursue their next level of education. With that small note, I will move on to today's agenda. I think we are waiting for our chief guest and guest of honor. So with that, meantime, I would like to invite the speakers to start the delegations. First of all, I would like to invite Dr. Sandeep Marwa, the Chancellor, AAFT University Senior Academician, to start the session with his open talk.
Thank you very much, Nagarajan. Let me extend my heartiest thanks to Charles Walter, Council of Innovation and Research, for inviting me here and giving me this wonderful opportunity to be part of this beautiful board. Some of the most prominent educationists and speakers are here from all over the world. What a pleasure to be here with them on this evening. Let me start with two very powerful lines. कि सभी दिशाओं से शुभ सुंदर भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये मेरे यत्नों से करुणाकर. Let me explain to you this in English. Whether it is north, south, east or west, whether you're in India or abroad, whether you are on the top of the hill or you're standing at a seashore, whether you are in a lush green garden and looking at some colorful flowers, or maybe looking at the most beautiful woman on earth. But the fact is, there are two things which are much more beautiful than what you can see with your naked eyes. And these two things are your thinking and your feelings. And the best part is that both the things are right within you. On this very auspicious day, let's pray. Hey Lord, give me good thinking, give me good feelings so that I can do good deeds. And through my good karmas, I would love to convert this earth into heaven. This is what I believe. I'm sure you will also believe in the same. The best part is that the whole education system is based on these two very important words, the feelings and the thinking. Well, thanks to the Government of India for coming out with a new education policy, which has given us ample opportunity to discuss, to have brainstorming session, to explore ourselves, to get into the details of, once again, into the system of education. And we have come out with large number of new and old things which we would love to repeat, discard, add, subtract, and whatnot. But at the end of the day, I'm happy that I've been part of more than 200 webinars in last almost 18 months and done enough brainstorming sessions. And now time has come that we should all get down to a job, right into the classroom, to our institutions, so that we can give best of the education to our students. Well, before we get into the large discussion by the experts from all over the world, let me put up the new definition of education to all of you. Well, we have read enough about education, but this time education has a different meaning for me. When I say education, it starts with E, and for me now, education means entertainment. It should be exciting and it should be energetic. This is very important. All what you've been doing it so far, I don't know, but now what is required, a thorough entertainment. It should be like an entertainment. People should enjoy the education, it should not be forced on you, or the teacher should not be agitated of delivering education. I mean, I've seen in 28 years in education, different moods, setups, emotions, teachers and students. So that's how I am coming to this nutshell. And it should be exciting because the education should be, the institution part should be so important that the student should be eager and anxious to come back to the institution next morning rather than skipping and bunking from the classes. Well, if this is the way we take it, trust me, you might need to change somewhere here and there the curriculum and the syllabus. But yes, you will be able to attract students back into the classroom in full strength. The D stands for dedication. When I say dedication, yes, the basic principle of punctuality, regularity, sincerity, they're very important, because without that, you cannot get into education system, nor you can actually receive the education. And that's D stands for dedication. All these three things, you don't have to put a label on your head that I'm a dedicated person. These things, these three things, your punctuality, regularity, and sincerity, they are enough to show that you are a dedicated teacher, you're a dedicated educator, you're a dedicated student. Very important. And D, of course, stands for discipline. And discipline is the key of this new education system. We have to bring back all that discipline back into the institutions so that we are in a position to deliver our best to our students. D also stands for a very strong determination, very important, because this is what is losing. Students are confused, teachers are confused, the system is confused. No, I think let's stick to something good and create a determination to reach to that destination. Well, when I say you means working under controlled circumstances. As very well said by Dr. Kusum, SDG is a very important word which is given to us by United Nations.